Good evening, guys. I'm here doing a review on a wheel cart jet, I guess, well, a case jet. I want to say it's called on wheels. So this is from Amazing Machinery, which is Bosch Jet, 15 psi. I want to say maybe here's all the information here. 1.7 gallons per minute, as you can see it there. Comes in a nice hard case, waterproof case. It comes with 25 feet of jetting hose, one jetting nozzle, penetrating jetting nozzle. It comes with this sink hose adapter here that you can connect to the machine. It comes with this ball valve here. It comes with the jetting hose holder. You also have some storage here for the supplies and accessories that it comes with. But like I said, yes, I'm here to do a review on it today. And I've actually been having some problems here with this sink. So what we're gonna do here today, we're gonna jet this out and we're gonna see how this is going. So stay with us. We can get some jetting going and clear this line out. I did camera this line already, so this line itself is ready to go.